Hey, welcome back everyone. So I'm your friendly dietitian slash public health specialist JJ, and I will be talking today about some winter health tips. So in the northern hemisphere it's still winter, in the southern hemisphere it is summer, but you're going to be moving into autumn and winter. So I'll give you some tips on winter health, how you can stay healthy, how you can prevent the extreme cold, especially in your fingertips, your extremities, your toes, how you can keep your heat, how you can stay moisturized, keep your oils all over, that you don't dry out too much. So stick around till the end. This will be a good one. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is layering your clothes. So have different layers so that there's still some space to breathe, so that your skin does not get too dried out and that all the moisture is not absorbed by your clothes. So your skin wants to be breathable. It doesn't want to be trapped. You want to have natural products or breathable products as your bottom layer, and natural materials will be better so that you don't lose all of your natural and healthy oils on your skin. Your body doesn't want to be making oil continually. It's the same with your face. If you keep on washing and taking away all the oil, your body will just make more oil, and that could cause blocked pores or breakouts because you are taking away all the oil and your body has to put it back all the time. So keep your hands, feet, and your head warm. These are the three places where you lose the most heat. So your hands, your feet, and your head. So if you have them covered, you should stay warm. And then you can also keep in some of those good oils and prevent evaporation of too much of your fluid, because that can also become a problem in winter, drying out. So you want to increase your fluid intake and have enough fluid intake in the winter too. So I'll talk about that toward the end, where you increase your fluid intakes, especially with teas, herbal teas. So you can prevent chilblains as well. Chilblains is when your extremities get cold and then hot. So your blood vessels are expanding and contracting very quickly, and it can cause damage to these vessels, and they could rupture, and it can cause severe itchiness, redness, and it's very, very uncomfortable. So with this, you can increase your spice intake and your fruit intake, especially the winter fruits like oranges, tangerines, grapefruit, lemon. They increase your blood circulation. They are antioxidants. They will help your circulation, and they've been found to keep you warmer in winter. So that is the third point as well, that you want to increase your fruit intake. So layering, keep your hands, feet, and your head warm. Increase your fruit intake to help your circulation, to combat free radical buildup, to combat mucus buildup, to keep that mucus draining and your mucus flowing. You want to increase circulation as well, which will lead to less likelihood of headaches and pain, because headaches can become more prominent because because you are drying out, and dehydration is one of the big causes of headaches. So staying hydrated is important. So soups and stews are a good way of also hydrating in the winter time. So then the next one, number 4, is spices. I've mentioned it as well. Spices are warming. So turmeric, ginger, cayenne pepper. What else? What other spices? You get garlic, onions. Those are all warming and increasing the circulation in your body. You can also use something like ashwagandha, ginseng, ginkgo biloba. Those will all increase your circulation, and they are really very good in keeping you warm. Especially cayenne pepper, it helps with your blood circulation. It helps to heat up the body. So it also increases your circulation and will increase your digestion and just speed up the things that are happening in your body. Because with cold weather, your body wants to slow down, wants to kind of hibernate. So you want to increase that circulation, keep things going. So warm drinks, foods that are warming will help your body to continue going as it wants to and as it should. And then the number 5 is increase your fluids and your good fats, your omega fats. So seeds are very important, seeds and nuts in winter. So things like chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. Use coconut oil, olive oil. Those are all very beneficial for your body. Coconut and olive oil you can also use on your scalp. I would go for olive oil because coconut oil can also be pulling, so that can pull the oils out of your skin. You can do oil pulling in your mouth to really get that bacteria out. If you have dandruff and you have a fungal infection, then the coconut oil will be wonderful. If you just have dry scalp, then olive oil would be a little bit more beneficial, so it moisturizes naturally. So you also want to fight mucus buildup with more fluids, warm drinks, herbal teas, warming herbal teas, juices, water. So all of these will help to prevent the dryness, the itchiness. It will help you still make enough fluid, make enough oils for your skin and for your face and for your hair, so that you make it through winter without this dry, pruny looking skin. So focus on those things in the winter, especially focus on your good fat, your omega fat intake. Sea vegetables also have good omega fats, your coconut oil as well. Then fluids and herbal teas. These teas are a fantastic way of moving your mucus, of keeping your body fluid and nourished and your circulation going, and also helping to get rid of any waste products. So as always, to God be the glory. Stay healthy. I hope this was beneficial. Smash that like button and subscribe. Share this around with everyone. Have a good one.